Okay, you can stay out here if you want. But I'm gonna close the door on you. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, good girl. What do you think, Mar? Huh? What do you think? Now sit. Right. Good girl. Okay. I know, it's not one of the high quality treats, but it's a treat. She likes the moist ones. That was a hard one. So the window for this spot is actually here, and hopefully today that will get installed. Lots of other things going on. Got to be picking up the new front door, although that will not be getting installed for a while. Still have to have the framing completed in the front. That's it for now. Come on, Marley. Come on. You're gonna make me do that shut the door thing, aren't you? Okay, good girl. Marley's favorite spot when people are out here. It's gonna move a little when the front extension gets done. So I actually forgot to take some video of when this garage, or sorry, the former shop area was clean. But it got clean. You can see everything was removed. And got all the plywood and drywall off this wall. So I think I've been saying for a while now that on this side, the left side, there was going to be a bedroom and then a bathroom in that corner, and that there would be just a bedroom over here. Well, we were thinking about things today, and there was some discussion, and basically that plan has been flipped. And the reason for that is that the view out this window right now isn't too bad, but you're actually going to be looking out at the porch. You can see the hole there. That's where the footings for the porch are going to go. So, you know, you get a good view of the front door, but it's just not wonderful. And this is going to be was going to be the big room, and the bedroom over on the side over here is really pretty much from where the floor coating goes all the way over there. So it's much bigger. So there's a really a better view out here. That window is going to change, by the way. It's going to rotate 90 degrees essentially, although it'll be a different window. So the thought being that the bigger, better bedroom should really have the nicer view. And it's easy enough right now to flip the plan, so that's what we're doing. So over here, big bedroom. That door goes away. Bathroom in that corner right there. And then a smaller bedroom slash office slash den in this space here. That's the current plan. Do you like the new window, Marley? Do you like it? Oh, new window. She's really excited. She just can't contain herself. Actually, she's very focused on my dinner right now. That's the real truth. So today's project was getting this window installed, which meant removing the old window and reframing things and installing a new window. And if I were to summarize the whole process, basically cut out the extra space you need and fill in the surplus space you don't need. That's essentially what happened here. So had to cut along the bottom there to provide additional space for the new window, frame that in, and then fill in the hole to my left that was taken up by the old window. And there we go, new window, looking good. There's Marley. Hey, no. Keep away from the insulation. That's a good girl. So I guess a question that sort of occurs probably to people, maybe particularly people who know me, is why this big remodel? All I can say is that something I've been interested in for a while, and I think to a degree, a lot of people, myself included, want to leave some sort of a mark on the world. And a structure is something that lasts a long time, quite a bit longer than people in many cases. And, being able to influence the evolution of a structure, even if it's just a house someplace, is appealing. I have a lot of time on my hands, and I guess I don't know, it's just a way of filling the time, being part of a creative process, and also evolving this place, which already had some great bones, towards my kind of ideal place, the place where, as things stand now, I will spend the rest of my life. That's incredibly cool to have that opportunity, and I'm so blessed to be in that position. Okay, go on. Is that a wrap, Marley? Yeah, that's a wrap.